Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about a topic which most people underestimate, and that is skin cancers. When we hear about the term cancers, we often think about our internal organs such as lungs or breasts. But skin, which is the largest organ of our body, is also at risk. Skin cancers occurs when skin cells start growing abnormally and uncontrollably. This is caused due to damage to the DNA cells, mostly due to the UV radiations or the ultraviolet radiations from the sun. What makes skin cancers most important to discuss is that it is one of the most preventable cancers, and when detected early, it can be highly treated. Yet, awareness remains low, especially in countries like India. Let's talk about the types of skin cancers. So, there are three types of major skin cancers, which are basal cell carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma, and melanoma. First, the basal cell carcinoma. This is the most common type of skin cancer. It grows slowly, rarely spreads to other body parts, and usually appears as a shiny, pearly bump or a pink patch. It may not look dangerous initially, but ignoring it can lead to local tissue damage. Second, the squamous cell carcinoma. This is the second most common type, and it can grow deeper into the skin. It has the risk to spread if untreated, and it usually appears as scaly red patches or sores. It is more aggressive than the basal cell carcinoma but can be treatable if detected early. Third, melanoma. This is the most dangerous type of skin cancer. It develops from pigment producing cells or the melanocytes. It can grow rapidly to lymph nodes and other body organs. It usually appears as a mole which may change over time. Even though melanoma has a very low occurrence, it is the most common reason for skin cancer deaths worldwide. Statistics. Let's understand how common skin cancers are. In India, skin cancers accounts for 1 to 2% of all cancers. This lower prevalence is because of the prevalence of melanin pigment in Indian skin, which provides protection from the UV rays of sun. However, cases are increasing due to lifestyle changes, pollution, and increased sun exposure. Globally, skin cancers are one of the most common types of cancers worldwide. Millions of cases are diagnosed every year. In countries like the US, 1 in 5 people develop skin cancers in their lifetime. This shows that India might have lower numbers, but the risk is real and concerning. Causes and risk factors. Now let us understand why skin cancer happens. First, UV radiation, which is the primary cause, by sun exposure, usually prolonged and unprotected, and tanning beds. UV radiation causes damage to the DNA in skin cells, leading to mutations. Second, skin type. Fairer skin burns easily, which causes them at a higher risk. But dark skin may also cause skin cancer. Third, genetics. Family history increases risk of skin cancer. Fourth, weak immune systems. Patients of organ transplant and chronic illnesses. Fifth, environmental factors. Exposure to harmful chemicals such as arsenic and pollution. Sixth, repeated injuries and burns. Chronic wounds or scars can sometimes be cancerous. Warning signs. Skin cancers often gives visible warning signs if we pay attention. Look out for a new mole or an unusual growth, a sore that doesn't heal, changes in an existing mole, or burning, itching, or crusting. ABCDE rule for melanoma. A signifies asymmetry, B for border irregularity, C for color deviation, D for diameter larger than 6 mm, and E for evolving or changing over time. Any of these signs should prompt a doctor's visit. Diagnosis. So let's understand how skin cancers are diagnosed. First, by clinical examination by a doctor. Second, dermoscopy, which is a special magnified exam for skin. Third, biopsy, which is the gold standard. Remember, early diagnosis significantly improves outcomes. Treatment. Treatment for skin cancers depends upon the type and the stage. First is surgery, which is the most common type of treatment, and it removes the cancer completely. Second is cryotherapy, which involves freezing small lesions. Third is radiation therapy, which is used in certain cases. Fourth is chemotherapy, which is used in advanced cases. Fifth, immunotherapy and targeted therapy, especially useful in melanoma, as it boosts body's immune response against cancer. Important note that if detected early, cure rates are extremely high, almost 90 to 100% in many cases. Prevention. So the best part about skin cancers is that it's largely preventable. Here's how. Wear sunscreen every day, preferably SPF 30 or more. Reapply it every 2 to 3 hours. And avoid sun exposure between 10 am to 4 pm. Use protective clothing such as sunglasses and hats. Avoid tanning beds. Do regular self-skin examinations and visit a dermatologist on suspicious changes. These small steps can prevent big problems. To conclude, skin cancer is a serious but highly preventable and treatable disease. Awareness, early detection, and small lifestyle changes can save lives. Don't ignore your skin, don't ignore the changes, and don't delay medical consultations. Because when it comes to cancer, early action makes all the difference. Thank you.